Namaskar friends, welcome to the channel Turning Point. I hope all of you are alright. Sometimes we have a research topic, we do our research in a very good manner, but we get stuck because we don't have data set on which we need to perform experiments. Let's suppose if you are doing research on agricultural sciences, you need some crop data, but you don't have access to that, you don't know from where to get it. And if I talk about some other topic, let's suppose you are working on medical imaging or you need to access radiologist data, radiology data, but you don't have access to it. And let's suppose if you need some social media data in order to perform some experiments, some research on that, but you don't have access to it. So in today's video, I'm going to solve you this problem by providing you a source from which you can get data sets completely free of cost, and you can download them and then you can use them in your research for your experiments, for publishing the results in your research papers as well as in your dissertation or thesis. So without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, in the Google, I'll just type Kaggle and hit enter. You can see that the first link which we got is Kaggle, your machine learning and data science community. So this is a community from which we can get data sets completely free of cost. So the site has been opened. I have already logged in by my Google account. So that's why it is saying welcome Pooja Sharma. And on the left side menu, you can click on data sets over here. Just click on it. You can see from here, various data sets are available, like e-commerce customer behavior dataset, Indian cities distance dataset, flight price prediction, NIM dataset. These datasets belong to games datasets like AI-based platforms, NFL stadium attendance, etc. These are education-based datasets, residential EV charging data. These are various datasets which are related to education. If you want to access internet-related datasets, then you can get from here. If you want to download images for your work, suppose you are working on image retrieval, pattern recognition, etc., then you can get data from here. If you want to do image analysis, this is fruits data set. This is news data set. So let's suppose you don't get the data set in this listing. You can just search over here. Let's suppose I'm going to work on some agricultural data. So I'll just write here agriculture data and hit enter. You can see here there are 974 data sets available on agriculture. So I can download the data set which is more appropriate to me. This is agricultural data, who eats the food we grow, Indian agriculture crop production, dry bean data set, all agriculture related data set for India, honey production in the USA. You can download any of them which is of your interest. Let's suppose I'm clicking on the first one, agricultural data. It is written here, the data collected is of a plant soil in Visakhapatnam, India. So this is the description of this data set. Let's see another data set. Who eats the food we grow? See, our world population is expected to grow over 7.3 billion today to 9.7 billion in the year 2050. So this is the description of the data set you can read from here. And if you want to download the data about this file, you can read from about this file, from where you can get the information about this data set. And if you want to download it, you can click over here, download button, and its size is 895 KB. So I'll just click on it. It is being downloaded. Here is it. I'll click on it in my download folder. Mostly the datasets are available in CSV files. So you can check from here. See, this is a huge data set with so many columns, as you see from here. If I move, it's a large data set of previous years. And these are various parameters of this data set. You can see from here, item. Let me zoom in the screen. wheat and products, rice, barley, maize, millet, cereals, etc. So this is a huge data set on which you can perform your experiments. Similarly, if you want some image data set for your research, like fingerprints data, then there are various data sets available. It is saying 18 data sets. So you can click any of them and then you can perform your study upon them. This is a data set. This is its description. And you can download by clicking over here also. So this is about data sets. If you want to perform study on them, then there are various models available also. If you click on models, then there are various models available with their codes. You can check them and you can include them in your study. So I hope this video suits you well. If you have any suggestion or you have any question, then you can tell me in the comment box. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.